Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to make an international transfer with BBVA Peru. This process allows you to send money abroad securely and without complications. Let's get started. First, open the BBVA Peru app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Next, go to the Transfers section from the main menu. Then, select International Transfer. Now, enter the recipient's bank details, including their full name, account number or IBAN, SWIFT or BIC code, and the destination bank. After that, type in the amount you want to send, choose the currency, and review the fees and exchange rate shown by BBVA. Once everything looks correct, confirm the operation using your security method such as a token, SMS code, or biometric verification. Finally, you'll get a notification confirming the transfer, and the funds will be delivered to the recipient's bank depending on processing times. That's it. Making an international transfer with BBVA Peru is simple when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.